Hey guys, so I'm gonna take Young Electric for the hill test. So let's go and see if it can climb hill on the throttle only. Okay, so I'm on Young Electric East Coast model. I'm gonna go hill test today. It's we're already very close to hill test, and let's go and see if it can actually climb the hill. I'll do throttle only. So when you're running off-road, all the hills I usually do with my legs, so it's kind of not accurate for testing the power on the bike for me. So the best way, of course, to take it uphill. I don't know if it will make it. Honestly, I took Troxus Explorer here with the same setting, 750 motor, 26x6, and it made only like half hill. And I took fifth wheel with 750 motor, and it made all the way up. Also, we're gonna see how fast it will go uphill, since we stop over here and go and see. This bike only going up to 20 miles an hour, so it cannot go faster because of settings. It can go up to 28 with a pedal assist. That's a legal way for level 3, but I will try to stay on the bike as long as it will keep going up. I believe up to 3 miles or 4 miles an hour I can stay on the bike. So far it's about 7 miles an hour, 6, and I know some motors with this bike it's a little bit kind of challenging because 26 wheels are not as easy to go uphill on this hill. Usually 20 inch by 4 can climb it, but usually like 1000 watt motors going uphill over here about 6 miles an hour, which actually I'm going right now. On the display it's 7, and on GPS also 7, so basically it's going uphill like 1000 watt motor. No way, no way. It's making much better actually than fifth wheel, and it's making as fast as a 1000 watt motor, and I don't feel any smoke from my bike, and we made it. So that's actually amazing performance for this bike, which I didn't expect to happen for this bike. I thought I'm gonna just kill it on the mid, because I took here Explorer and it could make it from Troxus, and it was more expensive bike than this one, even on sale. This one only like, nice, as I said before, $8.99. They only have 10 at this price. You might want to check in link in description. That's only up to the Black Friday. After Black Friday they go back to normal price, I think about $1,500, and now it's only $9.99 plus $100 off. In description with e-rides code you get this bike only for $900. Man, that's a good price, but unfortunately I cannot buy more because I have full garage already. But again, I'm gonna go down hills to test the brakes now. Actually I just dropped the bike over here while I was taking pictures on the side, a little bit scratched, but yeah, it's very steep hill over here. I dropped it because I put it on the stand and the hill is so steep over here. So let's try the brakes. So I'll stop somewhere by the car. 30 miles, 31, 33, 35, and then I'll brake. Actually it's nice. It's actually locks the wheel on the rear, and it's just, the brake works really good on the bike compared to many other brands. And let's just stop it here. So I'm not sure why people say they have issue with the Logan brakes. Most likely sometimes like if you have like bike with hydraulic brakes, if you flip it over they may get like soft, or sometimes if the cable leak or one of these bolts over here also not tighten, they might get a little bit squishy. and you feel no brakes. But so far it's good. The brakes work good on this bike, but I think I need to adjust brakes now because I drop it. Maybe I need to check maybe some, but so far no, it's good now. So yeah, it's a bike actually made to the hill, works good. I love this bike as performance. I didn't expect actually to have this bike to go uphill, and for $900 right now on sale, it's a steal. It's a bike probably I took like few 1000 watt motors, they only went up to hill the same speed. I know some bikes go like faster, but I tested like over 10 bikes already on that hill, and the only recent bike with the same size of wheels went 4 miles an hour, which is also I consider to be not bad. And the Bafang motor was 750 Bafang motor, but with this bike I just got 6 miles an hour with my weight on like 215 pounds. Of course, if you light it, it will go much quicker uphill. So this bike can really use a throttle power. It does have a lot of torque. So it only go up to 20 miles with a thumb throttle. Maybe you can release this limiter, like, but I'm not gonna mess around with this bike. It's a class 3 with all legal stuff on it, because you have to have stickers with information, serial numbers actually over there. So class 3 can climb the hill easily over here. 750 motor. And I guess that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.